I've been sitting here in the rain, meditating and washing away what doesn't serve me, the energies, the thoughts, the stressors, whatever it is that doesn't serve me in this moment. I give it away to nature. And what nature gives back to me is source energy. It's pure source energy. Get out there. Get outside. Get washed by the rain. And allow nature to exchange your energies. Give away what doesn't belong and bring into you what belongs. And what makes it better for you and for your family. Enjoy.